this right here. Let's see if this ocean blue solution will do the trick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you read in the title, I am trying a new TikTok hack that I saw. I don't want to say it's new because it's not new, but it's new for me. I'm gonna try it today. We're a family of 5, so we cook every day. I have this area on top of my stove that is like burnt on. So that is what I want to focus on today. And yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, do you see what I'm talking about here? This is the problem. My stove is pretty much clean right now. I have cleaned it. It looks, you know, you step far back, it looks pretty good. But, if you get up in here, yeah, this right here, this has probably been about a year or more since I've taken a razor blade. Yes, I have to actually take a razor blade to this to get this stuff off. This is like burnt on. So we're a family of 5. We have 3 kids, and we're definitely always cooking. I want to try this TikTok viral cleaning hack that I saw, and I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It's the Dawn plus vinegar plus baking soda. And you know what? I don't have anything to lose. Let's try it. Let's see if this solution will take the stuff off. All right, guys, let's get started. Vinegar, Dawn, and baking soda. I'm gonna do, it's equal parts vinegar with Dawn, but I'm gonna try something that I was reading online. I'm going to heat this vinegar up in the microwave first, and then I'm going to add the Dawn in there, put it inside here, mix it up, and then I'm gonna put it on the stove, and then I'm gonna sprinkle this last so I can get that reaction and see if it can't get some of that stuff up. Girl, you know how expensive this stuff is right here. This better work. Okay, I'll mix that up. Okay. Let me show you what we're working with close up here. I took the grates off and you can see what I'm talking about. You can see it, girl. Look at that. I mean, you know, from afar it's okay. All right. But look at this. I mean, I'm gonna have to get the razor blade out, and I'm not looking forward to doing that, if you know what I'm saying. This will probably take me an hour to scrape this off, but you know, if we don't have to scrape, we don't want to scrape. So let's see if this ocean blue solution will do the trick. Okay, let's pour it on here. And pour it all around. Let's get it in there. Hey, it matches my nails. Hello. Let's try. I want that reaction. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for a while and we're gonna come back and see the results. Okay guys, I actually wanna soak these pieces in here while the stove is marinating, if you will. And then I want to pour this in there. I think I should do these upside down. Yeah. Oh yeah, because the tops are really what is dirty there. Sprinkle some of this baking soda in here. Look at that. It's foaming up. Okay, we want that foam to do that work so I don't have to get out the razor blade, you know what I mean? Okay, we're gonna let that sit over on the side. Look at it's bubbling right here.
I don't hear it.
You don't hear it? I see it. It's not bubbling as much as I would like it to bubble though. All right guys, I'm back. I'm about to start scrubbing. Hoping this is gonna work.
Can I help?
Yeah, you wanna help me? Okay guys, so this is after I wiped it down, and I'm gonna say that this is a fail. Yeah, I am not happy with this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I mixed the Dawn and the vinegar, and then I put the baking soda. It might have taken a little bit off, but I'm gonna need to be using my razor blade. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna go ahead and scrape all this stuff off. If you guys have a better solution, leave me a comment down below. But this is really burnt on. So it's probably more for light duty stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, guys. See all this stuff right here? It's being scraped off. Okay, so nothing worked on this burn-on crud. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it crud. You definitely just need a razor blade, or I definitely need something stronger, like maybe oven cleaner. I'm just really kind of scared to use oven cleaner around a flame. I will probably just go ahead and finish scraping this. It is slowly coming off. Let's try a little bit more of this. Let it sit. Okay, let me set that down here, and I'm gonna go work on the other side.
Yeah, you and me fight like animals.
go ahead and give these a good scrubbing.
I'm never gonna let you go.
The solution did not end up working for me. You guys have anything you can recommend in the comments? Let me know. What do you guys do when you have that baked on really hard stuff to get off? Let me know and I'll try it. All right guys, thanks for watching.